Mines and Money in London. I am with Mavuto Chipata, Chief Investment Officer of ZCCM Holdings. Mavuto, thank you for joining us. ZCCM, tell us about the company.
Yes, so ZCCM IH is an investment holding company based in Zambia. We are mainly invested in copper assets. 80% of our portfolio is in copper. We are also in energy distribution, agriculture, and property investments. We are listed on the Lusaka Securities Exchange here in London, on the London Stock Exchange, and on the Euronext Stock Exchange. Yeah.
So as the Chief Investment Officer, Mavuto, what are you looking for when it comes to projects? What are some of your investment criteria?
Yes, so in terms of our investments, we mainly, as indicated, invested in mainly copper assets. But so we begin from looking at exploration, of a mineral resource, and run through the whole investment to fruition. And what we expect to do is to be able to provide good value to our shareholders. So in terms of criteria, we assess the project from the beginning and use whatever investment criteria we need to do in order to make sure that the project is viable. Yeah.
What sort of stages are your projects in Zambia? Are they in production? Are they all exploration? Tell us a bit more about them.
Yes, so we have a mix of projects. We have some projects that are already in operations, and then we also have some greenfields where we are starting from exploration. For example, we have got currently a manganese exploration project, which is in exploration. Hopefully in the next 6 to 1 year, we should get to production. We are also looking at oil and gas exploration. We have partnered with one company to start exploration in oil and gas. So we have a mix of projects, brownfield, greenfields, and the whole mix.
Well, the Zambian copper belt is certainly known around the world as one of the most prolific areas. What should investors look at? Is there anything that investors might want to consider if they're looking at investing in Zambia?
Yes, Zambia is endowed with a lot of resources. I think everybody will know Zambia was known for copper. We are the second largest copper producing country in Africa. And so like people say, if you want to see elephants, go to an elephant country. So if you want to find minerals, you have to come to a place where you'll find minerals. So currently, because of the copper boom, the advent of the electric car means that copper is going to be attractive for a long time. And other minerals such as manganese. We are also exploring for vanadium, lead, and zinc. And the business environment in Zambia is good. You have good legislation. You have a free market, foreign exchange regime, which is free. So investors can be free to come to Zambia, bring in their money, and they will be able to take it out anytime they want to take it out. Yeah.
Well, there's the projects and there's also the jurisdiction, and it sounds like Zambia has both. So thank you very much for joining us, Mavuto.
Thank you. It's a pleasure. Thank you again.